In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a Brevo API key. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Brevo like you usually would, and then from here you need to log into your account. From here, it should look something like this when you go into the dashboard. Once here, you'll need to go up to the right hand side where your name will be, also known as Manage Profile, and then from here you need to go down to SMTP or API. From here, you need to go over to API keys and MCP, and then up here on the right hand corner, you can generate a new API key. Then from here, you can name your API, and let's just call it test, and click generate. Once here, you will see your full API key that you can copy to clipboard, and down here you can also select that you want to create an MCP API key, which allows to connect to AI system to Brevo. Then from here, you just need to click OK. And then you can see down here your API or MCP key will be located down here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!